Good day, children. Sai Ram. In the last class, we discussed two grammar topics, abstract nouns and apostrophe from chapter number 4, that is, one less than 100. Today, let's begin with a new chapter. Chapter number 5, Peter's Ghost Dog by Johnny Abracad, Part 1. What do you see in the slide, children? There are pictures of some pet animals. Dogs and cats are the most common types of pets, right? They are the animals that most people consider first. And they make some of the best pets because they are easy to train. Did you know, apart from dogs, cats, fish and guinea pigs, people also keep scorpions, spiders and even cockroaches as pets. Okay, children, now let's take a look at some of the new words that we'll come across in this chapter. First word, primary school. Okay, so repeat the alphabets after me. Primary, primary. School, school, school. Primary, primary. School, school. Primary, primary. School, school. Primary school. Second word, snuggled. snuggled, snuggled. snuggled, snuggled. snuggled, snuggled. Third word, stroke. stroke, stroke. 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 Fourth word, noticed. 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 Fifth word, hugged, hugged. 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 Sixth word, lonely. lonely, lonely. lonely, lonely. lonely, lonely. Seventh word, cuddled. cuddled, cuddled. cuddled, cuddled. cuddled, cuddled. Okay, now let's see what these words mean. Now first word, primary school. Now what is a primary school? You all know, children? Well, where children between 5 and 11 years old study. Second word, snuggled. Snuggled means moved into a warm and comfortable position. Stroke. Stroke means touch lovingly. Fourth word, noticed, means become aware of or observe. Fifth word, hugged, means to hold closely to express affection. Sixth word, lonely, means feeling of being alone. Seventh word, cuddled, means to hold close for warmth or comfort or in affection. Children, now that you know the meanings of these words, let's frame the sentences. First word, primary school. Jack was in primary school when his parents got him a pet. Second word, snuggled. The small girl snuggled close to her mother. Third word, stroke. I gently stroke my cat when she sits beside me. Fourth word, noticed. I noticed some strawberries growing in my garden. Fifth word, hugged. The boy hugged his father lovingly when he saw the gift. Sixth word, lonely. Tina feels lonely when her parents go to work. Seventh word, cuddled. Peter cuddled the dog close to him. Children, now I have an activity for you. In this activity, you will fill in the blanks with the correct words given in the bracket. Children, these are the same words that we discussed some time back, and you know the meanings also of those words. So you will select the correct word for each sentence. I'm giving you some time to solve the sentence, the activity, and then I'll come back again and we will discuss the answers. Children, now let's cross check whether you have selected the correct word for each sentence. First sentence, the students of dash are very obedient. Yes, you all must have guessed it right? The students of primary school are very obedient. Second sentence, the puppy dash into the warm blanket. The puppy snuggled into the warm blanket. Third sentence, my cat likes it when I dash its head. Yes, answer is stroke. My cat likes it when I stroke its head. Fourth sentence, the teacher dash that a few students were talking in the class. The teacher noticed that a few students were talking in the class. Fifth sentence, he went running to his mother and dash her. Hugged. He went running to his mother and hugged her. Sixth sentence, she felt dash without her friends. Lonely. She felt lonely without her friends. Seventh sentence, the children dashed together on the sofa to watch the cartoon. Cuddled. The children cuddled together on the sofa to watch the cartoon. Okay, children, learn the new words and their meanings and try to frame your own sentences. Okay, in the next class, I will read and explain the chapter to you. Okay, see you in the next class. Thank you.